Hello, I'm Chiranjeev, and I got my car in here in Orchis to get my seat cover done. And we met with Mr. Anil sir, and he very nicely explained the whole procedure to us, his material to us, and that it has the thickness even that it is world class quality. And he told me that Lily Shade 06 should work. Lily 06 should work. And at first I was not very sure about the color, but then Anil sir was completely confident that it would look great, and he was completely right. So I'm very happy with the results. Thank you so much, Orchis.